I am going to walk you through how to download and use the app Rave Guardian, a personal safety application. Through Rave, you can request that a chosen guardian monitors your walk across campus or within 10 miles of ONU. You also have the opportunity to contact public safety or 911 if you are in danger. Using this app is a great way to feel safe on campus. To download the app, search Rave Guardian in the App Store or Google Play Store, and once the download is complete, open the app and follow the steps to link your ONU account. First, provide your cell phone number and wait for a text message providing a code. Enter the code into the app. Then provide your ONU email address and wait for an email providing a code. Enter the code into the app. After you complete these steps, your app will be linked to your ONU account on Rave. A great first step in this app would be to update your account information. If you select My Account in the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll be provided with the option to update your personal information, add emergency contacts, add your vehicle information, and share your profile with 911. To set a safety timer and add guardians, select the Safety Timers box that displays a stopwatch icon. You will then be prompted to select your guardian or guardians. Guardians are the people that are notified that you are on the move. You can select multiple people to be a guardian at any time. It is important that you choose someone that is reliable and easily accessible for this role. It would be a good idea to include a brief description of your activity as well, so your guardian is well informed. Select a time, start your timer, and begin your walk. Your guardian will receive a message in a map of ONU that is tracking and leaving a digital trail as to where you are walking. Remember that only your guardians are able to view your location and trail. If your timer is active longer than the appropriate time, your guardian or guardians will be notified so they can check in on you and make sure that you are safe. You are notified that your timer has expired, and it will give you an opportunity to end it or even add more time. Another important feature is the chat option. If you select the chat box represented with the message icon, you will then be prompted to select the topic of your chat with public safety. Choose the appropriate action from Just Connect Me, Harm to a Person, Suspicious Activity, Report Disturbance, or Damage to Property. Once you open the chat, type your message and decide whether or not you wish to share your location with public safety. If you wish to share your location, checkmark the box indicating that you wish to do so. Lastly, you can call public safety or 911 by selecting either of the appropriate boxes and selecting the red Place Call button. Again, if you wish to share your location, mark the box to do so. If you have any questions about the Rave Guardian app, please contact the ONU IT Help Desk at 419-772-1111 or contact them by email at help-desk@onu.edu.